How to use American Express Amazon Business Card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The American Express Amazon Business Card can be a powerful tool for your business, but most beginners make mistakes that cost them rewards and money. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is misunderstanding the reward structure. Many people get this wrong by thinking all purchases earn the same points. In reality, purchases on Amazon.com earn 5% back for Prime members, while other business expenses earn 2% or 1%. Knowing this ensures you maximize reward on every transaction. Second mistake, missing payment deadlines. You won't believe how often users accumulate unnecessary interest. Always pay your balance on time, or consider using the pay over time feature wisely. Interest can quickly outweigh your earned rewards. Third mistake, neglecting expense tracking. The surprising truth is that the card comes with detailed reporting tools for business purchases. Failing to use them can complicate accounting and tax reporting. Fourth mistake, underutilizing additional benefits. Many cardholders ignore purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel insurance that comes with the card. These features can save your business thousands if used correctly. Finally, not reviewing card limits and terms is common. Exceeding credit limits or misunderstanding fees for foreign transactions can create unnecessary charges. Stay informed about your card's terms and plan purchases accordingly. By understanding the reward system, paying on time, using reporting tools, leveraging additional benefits, and reviewing card terms, you can use the American Express Amazon Business Card effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your business spending will become smarter, more efficient, and highly rewarding.